Hello family, I have a good recipe for you today. We are doing a pineapple juice bundt cake recipe. Stay tuned so you can learn how to make this bundt cake. To make this pineapple juice bundt cake, you will need 3/4 cups of oil, 3/4 cups of pineapple juice, 1 box of Betty Crocker Super Moist Butter Cake Mix. You can use Betty Crocker or Pillsbury. Don't use DUNCAN because it does not work well with this cake. 4 eggs in your Bundt Pan. Now this recipe came from Southern Bite. He made this recipe and I am making it today. We're going to begin making this cake. We'll put this cake mix in the mixer. You mix all 4 ingredients. It's only 4 ingredients. We're putting in the 4 eggs, and y'all make sure you have your eggs at room temperature. That is all 4 of the eggs. 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. And 3/4 cups of cooking oil. You let this beat for 2 minutes. While this is beating, I'll tell you a little bit about this, how I came across this recipe. My husband found it. Mr. Jimmy found this, and this is by Southern Bite. He also makes a orange juice bundt cake, and in my reading I come across where people had been asking him about a pineapple juice or pineapples. You know, we all love pineapple. So he came up with this one for the pineapple juice bundt cake. The only thing, he said that the DUNCAN HINES cake mix does not work well with this process to use Pillsbury or Betty Crocker. And it's only 4 ingredients, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of pineapple juice, 3/4 cup of cooking oil, and the cake mix. You beat it for 2 minutes. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then you will bake it for maybe 30 to 35 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, we'll let it cool a little bit and we'll make the glaze. It has a pineapple butter glaze that goes on top. This is going to be a very moist cake. Looking forward to tasting this cake. It's beating up. I'm going to turn it up just a tad. As soon as the cake gets through beating, and we will put it in the Bundt Pan, and I will put it in the oven, and I will be back after the cake is done. Okay, the cake has been beating for 2 minutes, and I have scraped the sides of the bowl, and now we're going to pour it in the pan. And we'll put it in a 325 degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or when your toothpick, you put a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. Get this off the sides. Give it a quick pack on the, get the air bubbles out. And I am going to put it in the oven, and I'll be back when the cake is done. The cake is out of the oven and I'm getting ready to make the glaze. The glaze is 2 cups of confectionery sugar, 3/4 cup of the pineapple juice, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And you just heat it on the stove on medium heat until it's all dissolved. Then we're going to pour this on top of the cake. The glaze is hot, and now we'll use a screwer or whatever that you have that you can punch some holes into the cake so we can pour the glaze all over the cake. Okay. Here's the glaze, and we're just going to pour it all over it. It's going to seem like a lot, but it all absorbs into the cake. And after I have poured all the glaze over the cake, it has to sit for another 15 to 20 minutes until the cake is cooled completely. So once it's cooled completely and I flip it, I will come back so you can see the end results.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing